presenting the 2002 Mazda Tribute. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power mirror, privacy glass, driver airbag, cargo shade, child safety locks, variable speed intermittent wipers, passenger airbag, and AM/FM stereo. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.